Can you find the distance D from 2 point any chain or cable is hanging? Then the shape, it is not circle or anything. This shape is catenary shape. And general catenary equation it is y is a times cos hyperbolic x over a, and in this case it will pass through point 0 a, and if we want to pass it through origin, then the equation it will become y is a times cos hyperbolic x over a minus a, and suppose this is origin and this is x-axis and this is y-axis, then catenary equation it will be y is a times cos hyperbolic x over a minus a, and this distance is 20, this distance is 50, so this distance it will be 50 minus 20, that will be 30, and suppose this distance is x, then this distance it will be also x by symmetry. So this is 0 0, so coordinate of this point it will be x and 30. So y it is 30, it is a times cos hyperbolic x over a minus a, and 30 plus a it will be a times cos hyperbolic x over a, so cos hyperbolic x over a it will be 30 plus a over a, and arc length from 0 to x it is a times sine hyperbolic x over a, and complete length is 80, so this length will be 40 and this length will be 40, so 40 it is a times sine hyperbolic x over a. So sine hyperbolic x over a, it will be 40 over a, and the fundamental identity for hyperbolic function it is cos hyperbolic squared t minus sine hyperbolic squared t, it is 1. So cos hyperbolic squared x over a minus sine hyperbolic squared x over a, it will be 1, and cos hyperbolic x over a, it is 30 plus a over a. It is 30 plus a over a squared minus, and sine hyperbolic x over a, it is 40 over a. It is 40 over a squared. It is 1. And it is 30 over a plus 1 squared minus 40 over a squared. It is 1. And it is 900 over a squared plus 1 squared is 1 plus 2 times 30 over a times 1. It will be 60 over a minus 1600 over a squared. It is 1. And 1 will get cancelled, and 900 over a squared minus 1600 over a squared, it will be minus 700 over a squared plus 60 over a, it is 0, and 60 over a, it will be 700 over a squared, and a will get cancelled and 0 will get cancelled, and if we cross multiply, then 6a, it will be 70, and a, it will be 70 over 6, that will be 35 over 3, and sine hyperbolic x over a, it is 40 over a. Sine hyperbolic x over a, it is 40 over a, and sine hyperbolic x over a, it is 35 over 3. It is 40 over a is 35 over 3, and sine hyperbolic 3x over 35, it will be 40 times 3 over 35, and 5 times 7 is 35, 5 times 8 is 40. So sine hyperbolic 3x over 35, it is 24 over 7, and 3x over 35, it will be arc sine hyperbolic 24 over 7, and x, it will be 35 over 3 times arc sine hyperbolic 24 over 7, and arc sine hyperbolic y, it is ln y plus root under y squared plus 1. So x, it will be 35 over 3 times ln 24 over 7 plus root under 24 over 7 squared plus 1, and 24 over 7 squared plus 1, it will be 576 plus 49 over 49. That will be 625 over 49. So x, it is 35 over 3 times ln 24 over 7 plus, and this will be 25 over 7, and x, it is 35 over 3 times ln 49 over 7, and x, it is 35 over 3 times ln 7, that is approximately equal to 22.7, and d, it is x plus x, that will be 2x. D, it is 2x, that will be 2 times 22.7, and it is 45.4.